This is the Koklass pheasant. It is a medium-sized bird with a distinctive appearance. The males have a silvery feathered body, a brown stripe on the chest, a white patch on the neck and a dark greenish-black head. On top of their head they have a long crest, which when erect, gives them the profile of a frightened rabbit. Females are less visible, with light brown plumage. Both sexes have elongated tails with light feathers at the ends. Adult males weigh approximately 1 kilogram and 400 grams and measure 58 to 64 centimeters in length, while females are slightly smaller, weighing 1 kilogram and 100 grams and measure about 18 to 22 centimeters. The unique combination of black head, brown breast and white neck markings in males, along with the elongated tail in both sexes, aids in identification. These birds are found in countries such as Nepal, India, Afghanistan, Tibet and China. The territorial call of these pheasants, from which their name is derived, is a distinguishing feature. Loud calls are made during the breeding season and in autumn, usually before dawn. They are vegetarians, consuming pine nuts, bamboo shoots and seeds. They become highly insectivorous during the warmer months, feeding almost exclusively on ants, and also consume pollen and fruit.